chance of showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Highs in the mid-90s. Winds around 5 miles per hour, increasing to 10 to 15 miles per hour this afternoon. Chance of rain 50%. Tonight, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms, mainly in the evening. Lows in the mid-70s. Southeast winds 10 to 15 miles per hour, becoming east around 5 miles per hour after midnight. Chance of rain 40%. Thursday, showers and thunderstorms likely, mainly in the morning. Humid with highs around 90. East winds 5 to 10 miles per hour, becoming southeast 10 to 15 miles per hour in the afternoon. Chance of rain 70%. Thursday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Humid with lows in the mid-70s. Southeast winds 10 to 15 miles per hour, diminishing to around 5 miles per hour after midnight. Chance of rain 50%. Friday, showers and thunderstorms likely. Humid with highs in the upper 80s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Mostly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the mid-70s. Chance of rain 40%. Saturday, partly sunny with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 90s. Chance of rain 50%. Saturday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly clear. Lows in the upper 70s. Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 90s. Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 70s. Independence Day, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-90s. Heat index values up to 105. Monday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 70s. Tuesday, mostly sunny. Hot with highs in the mid-90s. Heat index values up to 105. The coastal waters forecast for the following coastal location: Galveston Bay. West of today, east winds 10 to 15 knots becoming southeast this afternoon. Bay waters slightly choppy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Tonight, southeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Bay waters slightly choppy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms early in the evening. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the late evening and early morning, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms late. Thursday, southeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Bay waters slightly choppy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Tonight.
Coastal waters forecast for the following coastal locations.